Hello friends, good morning. Hope you all are well. Today is the first day of the weekend of stock market. So every day I have promised you that uh, from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Between that I will be uh, dictating stock in news today. Whatever the news are there in stocks that I am going to dictate, you can note it down. If you are a trader, you can trade intraday. If the news is good, if the news is good, and in technical there is bullishness, then keeping certain stop loss, you can trade in intraday. And if the news is bad, if the technical is in technical there is bearishness showing in the technical chart, then keeping some stop loss, you can short, you can sell. So friends, good morning, all of you. So after 2-3 minutes, I'm going to start stock in news today. So after after 2-3 minutes, I'm going to start stock in news today. So friends, let us begin. Let us begin stock in news today. Whatever the news are there in the stocks, I'm going to dictate it. Friends, 2 days before, I had uploaded market prediction and daily forecast. On that, whatever the 24th February 2025, the market would be, that I had predicted already. You can go there and you can see market prediction. So friends, let us begin stock in news today for today. Whatever the stocks news are there, I'm going to dictate it. Listen carefully. If you are an investor, it is necessary that you have to track out the news of your holdings. Whatever the stocks you hold, you have to update the news information. And that's why in the morning time, I always come between 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. so that I give you the right information from the reliable source, in order to make comfortable to take the decision regarding the stocks decisions and also in the trading decisions. So friends, let us begin the stock in news today. And friends, daily forecast video. Hello sir, good morning. Sir, if you have subscribed my channel, write yes, I would be knowing that. And if you have not, please subscribe it and say yes, I will be knowing that you have subscribed, sir. And friends, daily forecast video I had already uploaded 2 days before. Enric Ramsey sir, hi sir. Hi Abby. So every day from Monday to Friday after 8 p.m. at night, after 8 p.m. For 1 to 2 hours I come live there. I used to do dual interaction with you, and on Saturday morning time and evening time for 1 to 2 hours, and on Sunday whatever the free time I get, I usually come live, friends. Thank you, Abby. So friends, in daily forecast already I have predicted some views on the base of different datas and information, and Param sir, yes, today there is chances of high gap down. And if you, Param sir, if you have gone through my video of Delhi forecast, please go and see my video Delhi forecast. You can easily know the market trends, and do not miss, friends, do not miss the Delhi forecast video, because in Delhi forecast video I collect the information from different sources and I predict the market. That is going to be to some extent accurate. And not only that, not only the market trend you get the all the informations, whatever the information you want for the decision making in the stock market. So friends, let us begin without delay. Stock in news today, you can note it down. Friends, the first news is that Britannia and BPCL have been removed from Nifty 50, and Jio Financial Service and Zomato have been added to the index, with changes it taking effective from March 28. It was the old news from March 28. Means the coming March 28, Britannia and BPCL will be removed, and Zomato and Jio Financial will be included in the Nifty 50. This is the first news. Indian share markets benchmark equity indices, BSE, Sensex and Nifty 50 and Sensex are likely to be influenced by global market moves, geopolitical concerns and foreign institutional investors activities today in the Monday session. So these three factors, friends, these three factors will govern today's market. First factor is global market moves. Second factor is geopolitical concern like Israel-Iran war, Russia-Ukraine activities and other different factors. And foreign FII activity, it means whether FII buy or sell. This will affect the today's market. Hi Milana. Milana, if you have subscribed my channel, please say yes. I will be knowing. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it and say yes. I will be knowing that you have subscribed it. And friends, this is my whatever the YouTube channel I have started. This YouTube channel is totally informative and knowledgeable YouTube channel. You can get informations and knowledge, full information and knowledge to some extent from my channel. And definitely I guarantee whoever join my channel, sees, watches video shorts regularly and join the live session, definitely in the days to come they will get very good sound knowledge, and they can enhance their knowledge, and also they can decide whatever the investment decisions or trading decisions they can easily take, and they can improve their activities in the stock market. So friends, without delay, let us start. Let us continue. So first stock is auto stocks. Auto stock Capital Markets and Investment Group CLSA believes that even if Tesla launches a battery electric vehicle BEV at $25,000, Indian auto original equipment manufacturers OEMs are not significantly threatened. It means if Elon Musk launches the electric vehicles, that will not going to impact the Indian auto original equipment manufacturers. This is the good news for the auto segments. The most affordable Tesla models, the Model 3 and Model Y, are priced around $35,000 in the US and would need either reduced features or losses to be viable in the Indian market. It means that even Elon Musk comes enters in the Indian market, that is not going to impact much the Indian auto sector. That is good news for the Indian auto market. Next news is that Nifty 50 rebalancing. The Nifty 50 and Nifty 50 indices rebalancing is expected to cause over 22,000 crore in churn. Britannia and Bharat Petroleum have been removed from Nifty 50. Jio Financial Services, which can bring the 3,128 crore inflow, Jio Financial Services after inclusion, and Zomato 6,525 crore inclusion after after being included in the Nifty 50, have been added to the Nifty 50. Indian Hotel Company, CG Power, Hyundai Motor India, Bajaj Housing Finance and Swiggy have been added to Nifty Next 50. So this is the news of Nifty rebalancing, friends. NHPC, IRCTC, Adani Total Gas, Union Bank of India, and Bharat Heavy Electricals have been removed from the next Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 rebalancing has been done. From Nifty 50, some stocks have been included and some have been removed. And from Nifty next 50, some have been removed, some have been included. So this you can consider. Next stock is Manappuram Finance. Bain Capital, BAIN Bain Capital is expected to acquire a significant part of the promoter stake in India's second largest gold loan company, Manappuram Finance. So this is the news of Manappuram Finance. So Bain Capital is expected to acquire significant part, means percentage had not been disclosed yet, but significant part of the equity ownership is going to be taken by Bain Capital, friends. I hope you are understanding the news. You can note it down. Already I have told you, if you are a trader and if the news is good, you can buy it in the intraday. If the technical is bullish, keeping some stop loss, and if the news is bad, you can sell it. You can short in the intraday the particular stock, keeping some stop loss. Next stock is NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation. The company and EDF India plan to develop pumped hydro storage and hydro projects bundled with renewable energy projects and explore opportunities in the distribution business. That means NTPC in the expansion and growth phase, very good news. They will form a joint venture company with a 50-50 partnership. That means in order to develop pumped hydro storage and hydro projects bundled with renewable energy projects, NTPC and EDF India will do 50-50% joint venture. This is the very good news for the NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation, for its expansion and growth in the days to come. So you can keep eye on NTPC, friends. Next stock is paint companies, the paint industries. Brokerages remain cautious on paint company stocks due to rising competition and weak demand. According to them, quarter fourth, means January, February, March, this is the quarter fourth for the FY25, is seeing early signs of demand revival. However, weak pricing and demand continue to affect sector performance. That means the brokerages firms are not so much comfortable for the paint industries, for the paint companies. So it means that if you are planning to invest in the paint sector, it means you have to be cautious till March in 2025. And if you want to invest, you can invest some part of your amount in the paint industries. Friends, next stock is Healthcare Global Enterprises. KKR will acquire up to a 54% stake in Healthcare Global Enterprises for $400 million. An open offer will be made to acquire an additional 26% of HCG shares. That means through open offer, KKR will acquire 54% stake of Healthcare Global Enterprises. This is the news of Healthcare Global Enterprises, friends. Next stock is 197 Communication. That means Paytm. Paytm Payments Bank is reactivating digital wallets after losing 72.25% of its PPI wallets due to restriction by the Reserve Bank of India. So that means Paytm Payments Bank, Paytm has its own payment bank, is reactivating digital wallets after losing 72% of its PPI wallets due to restriction. So whatever the restriction was levied by the RBI, despite that it is reactivating digital wallets. That is good sign for the Paytm in the days to come. Next stock is Schneider Electric. It means Schneider, SCHNEIDER, Schneider Electric. The company plans to open 3 more manufacturing plants in Kolkata. That is very good news. Hyderabad and Ahmednagar. That means in 3 places the company is planning to establish its manufacturing facility. that is Kolkata, Hyderabad, and Ahmednagar. It aims to leverage AI, artificial intelligence, and digitalization to grow in India's energy sector, focusing on digital grids, IoT enabled energy resources, and smart cities. So, friends, for screen reader electrics, this is a very good news. You can keep eye on it. Friends, next is banking industry. That means banking stocks. Some information is of banking stock is going to be provided. Listen carefully. Friends, if you are new viewers in my channel, I request you please subscribe my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon, because after pressing the bell icon, you will get my video shorts and live session notification, so that the informations and knowledge will be updated whenever I upload it, and by information and knowledge you will be updated immediately. So City Union Bank, in banking stocks, City Union Bank, Karnataka Bank, Bandhan Bank, South Indian Bank, DCB Bank, and Punjab and Sindh Bank have net NPAs of at least 1%. That means net NPA means if gross NPA means non-performing assets, means the bad loan of the bank. If the loan crosses the 90 days time, the due time, 90 days time, if it crosses, it goes in the NPA, non-performing asset. And the total NPA, gross NPA, if you deduct provision and write-offs from gross NPA, it comes net NPA. So net NPA of the company, of the bank, of these banks are at least 1%. According to the standard, maximum 5% is tolerable, is said to be satisfactory. So it is low. That is good sign for the banking stocks, whatever I have dictated right now. Axis Bank, SDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, IDBI Bank, Karur Vysya Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, Federal Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, and Punjab National Bank have net NPA of less than 0.5%. That means these banks have very good NPA portfolio below 0.50. In the December quarter of 2024-25, more banks recorded lower gross and net NPAs compared to those with higher NPAs. However, in absolute terms, private banks' gross NPAs rose marginally from rupees 1.35 trillion in September to rupees 1.39 trillion in December. So, in quarterly comparison, net NPA has been marginally increased. That is not good sign for the banking industry. That has to be controlled by the bank. Net NPA increased to 36,260 crores in December from 34,843 crore in September. That means marginally the NPA has been increased. That is not good sign for the company, for the banks. Next stock is Bank of Maharashtra. Bank of Maharashtra has reduced retail loan interest rate, including home and car loans. That is good sign for the Bank of Maharashtra to sell its products, because once the interest rate is reduced, the selling side, the loan, whoever takes the loan, they will take more and more loans, or whatever they require. They will not postpone the time. They will immediately take the loan, because the interest rate will be lower. So Bank of Maharashtra has reduced retail loan interest rates, including home and car loans, by 25 basis point. 25 basis point means 0.25%, following the RBI's repo rate reduction. Friends, next stock is Jackson Polk Pharmaceuticals. The US FDA has issued a warning to Jackson Polk Pharmaceuticals for significant manufacturing lapses at its Rajasthan-based API plant. That means it is not good news for the Jackson Polk Pharma. You can keep eye on it. Next stock is Axis Bank. SEBI has imposed a 10 lakh rupees penalty on Axis Securities for regulatory breaches, including discrepancies in reporting and handling of client funds. So this is not good news for the Axis Securities. It has been penalized 10 lakhs rupees by the SEBI for breaching the regulatory norms. So you can keep eye on it. This is bad news for the Axis Securities and Axis Bank both. Next stock is Railtel Corporation. Friends, the company has won the Kavach tender for 71 stations, enhancing railway safety and operational efficiency with a 288 crore and signaling projects. So this is very good news for the Railtel Corporation. You can keep eye on it, friends. Next stock is C8. C8 Tire. Sorry, friends, it is C8 Specialty. C8 Specialty is expanding its global footprint in the OST market, aiming for a 70-30 export domestic revenue split and increasing production capacity. And this is very good news for the C8 Specialty, which is a wing of C8. So for both of them, the news is very good. You can keep eye on it. Next stock is Trident. Trident Group is planning significant greenfield expansion in India with a 1000 crore capex, capital expenditure. What is capital expenditure? I have made a full video on it. You can go and see it. Capital expenditure is always spent on the fixed assets like land, building, machineries, furnitures. These all are the capex. The expenditure that gives the benefit for more than 1 year to the companies is called capital expenditure. So the company expects the Trident Group is planning significant greenfield expansion in India with rupees 1000 crore capex for FY26. So this is very good planning for its expansion and growth. You can keep eye on it. Focused on sustainability and modernization. So this is very good news for the Trident. You can keep eye on it. The next stock is Signature Global. Friends, the company expects a 2.5 times increase in operational revenue to over rupees 3000 crore this fiscal year, driven by strong sales and project completions. So Signature Global has high expectation. It is expecting 2.5 times increase in operational revenue to over 3000 crores. So this is very good news for the Signature Global. So friends, I hope you are enjoying the live session. You are enjoying the news, whatever I am dictating. And definitely these informations will work. And if you have left my video, I will be uploading it after the live session is over. You can go and see there. So friends, good morning all of you. I'm dictating the news of different companies, whatever I'm finding through different reliable sources. So friends, another stock is Marico. So friends, another stock is Marico. Marico expects to deliver a double-digit revenue growth in FY25, means till March. It is very good news for the Marico, helped by sequential improvement with price hikes and better volume. Its MD and CEO Saugata Gupta said to PTI, it's very good news for the company, Marico. You can keep eye on it. However, he also mentioned that as far as profitability is concerned, there is inflationary pressure on the material inputs in the second half of the FY25, and the operating margin should be in the broad range of 20%, helped by a strong and institutional cost management. It has been said that despite the revenue growth expectation, the material cost, due to the inflation, material cost is very much high. That may marginally impact the profitability. Next stock is Adani Group. Adani Group, friends, Adani Group has released its tax transparency report for the financial year 2023-24, highlighting a substantial increase in its contribution to the country. The group's total global tax and other financial contribution amounted to rupees 58,104 crores, marking a sharp rise from 46,610 crore in the previous fiscal year. So there is very high contribution of the tax by the group. That is very good, a good image sign in the country for the company. Next stock is Swiggy. Swiggy announced a 1,000 crore investment in its supply chain subsidiary, Scootsi, Scootsy. Scootsi is the subsidiary company of Swiggy. Following board approval, this comes after a 1,600 crore infusion into Scootsi in December. In December, it has already invested 1,600 crores. And now it is going to invest 1,000 crore. Board approval is awaited. Next stock is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel announced it will increase its shareholding in Airtel Africa, a subsidiary company listed in the UK. This is a subsidiary company of the Bharti Airtel listed in the UK, by acquisition up to the 5% stake in one or more tranches. That means it is good news for the Bharti Airtel for its expansion and growth. The acquisition is it added will be done through Airtel Africa Mauritius Limited, a step down subsidiary of the company. Airtel Africa Mauritius Limited presently holds 57.29% of the Airtel Africa. So it means the Airtel Africa Mauritius Limited shares will be, ownership will be diluted to some extent. From 57.29%, it will be deducted 5%, and the 5% will go to the Bharti Airtel. So this is very good news for the Bharti Airtel. You can keep eye on it. Next stock is Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto announced that its board of directors have approved to invest funds up to euro 150 million. It's a euro 150 million, and if you convert it into the INR, it becomes 1,364 crores in Bajaj Auto International Holdings BV, Netherlands, a wholly owned subsidiary of the company. So this is the very good news for the Bajaj Auto for its international expansion as well as growth. Friends, next news is of delivery, the stock delivery. Delivery is betting big on road trains, tractors, unit towing multiple trailers to transform transportation for high volume sectors like automobiles and fast moving consumer goods. So this is very good news for the delivery. You can keep eye on it. The company believes this innovation will significantly reduce cost and enhance efficiency. So friends, delivery news is very good. You can keep eye on it. So friends, this is all about the stock in news today. I hope you got the news. If you have left the news, definitely you can catch it on after uploading it. I will upload it. You can catch it on. Already I've told you, if you are an investor, you have got portfolio. Whatever the news I dictate, if that is going to relate to your portfolio, your shares, you have to track it out. If you are an intraday trader, if the news is good, then you have. If the technical is bullish, if the in the technicals, if you see that there is a bullishness for the good news, then definitely by keeping some stop loss, you can buy on intraday for intraday trading. And if the news is bad, then if there is the technical is bearish, then by keeping some certain stop loss, you can short it, you can sell it. So friends, I have told I have dictated you the news as well as the technique. How can you manipulate the news for your trading structure, for your investment? Thank you all of you. Today after 8 p.m. 1 to 2 hours, two-way interaction live session will be conducted, and every day I come live at night after 8 p.m. for 1 to 2 hours. Join it. And friends, if you are new viewers in the channel, I request you subscribe my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get video shorts and live session notification immediately, and you can join. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.